Now, I wanted to ask about IP, intellectual property. If somebody's got an idea, do they need to have a non-disclosure agreement? They need to get a patent? How do you protect your business IP?
Yes, and that's a really important issue that's often sort of underestimated, and it kind of depends a little bit on how original it is and how how important it is to your business.
Yeah.
So if, for example, it's an invention of something tangible, it's well worthwhile going and getting a patent, generally speaking. Although it's not a cheap process. It can be really important to protect your invention. The other thing is to get some proper professional advice about that, because you might have a patent in one country, but you haven't got one in another country, and then so you don't, you lose that entire market. So there's some really complicated things around that. When it's more ideas and internal, one of the ways of doing that is actually to, when you're ready, and it's thinking and planning about it, when you're ready to actually publish that idea under your copyright. So then it's quite clear that you were the first person to come up with that idea. So that might be a book or it might be something else. But not to necessarily just pop it up on the internet and let everyone have a look at it who wants to.
Right.
So it depends a little bit on what it is, but it's certainly worth thinking about, because if your business is built on your ideas or your products, you really need to make sure that's protected.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please check out my website, dominicmclaughlin.com, and check out my free course on businessleaderslab.com.